Supposed to be the best charcoal. Oh, it smells amazing. I got it going right at barbecue. $2.50. I put the quarters on the rotisserie. Been on for about 5 minutes, but it's doing this thing though. It smells amazing. We're gonna see how it turns out. Should be a nice crunch on the outside. I think I'm gonna slow it down a little bit, let it smoke for about 10 minutes, then take it back up to barbecue. Let me calm it down a little bit. Just a little. It's all right. All right, I'll let y'all know how it tastes.